everyone, it's Lana Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA. I had to take a little mental break, but I'm back with a great video showing you all how I decorated, organized, and cleaned my glam office. I wanted it to be a different vibe. I wanted it to look a little bit more grown because I am 30 now, and previously I had it as blue, white, pink, and gold. So I just wanted to do a whole different color palette, a whole different organization to the room, and just get it together and get it looking like a brand new office. So pretty much I'm going to start out cleaning and organizing my room. I had a lot of stuff in here that I really realized I didn't use anymore, didn't need. I went through my makeup, just different things that I was almost hoarding. So I really did not need this stuff anymore, and it was going to help my room to look a lot more organized and a lot more decluttered as it was looking before. This is where I got rid of a lot of stuff, because a lot of times we use the closet as just a place to hide stuff and just stuff it away. So it was a lot of things in here that I did not realize I had. This is where I came to the realization that I could possibly be a hoarder. In order to get the organized look I wanted for my closet, I decided to purchase this shelf from Target and put this together so that I can use this to put like my purses, my belts. I was going to put 2 bins in there as well, and it really helped for my closet to look a lot more organized. Y'all, it is so important to read the instructions, because right here I thought I knew what I was doing, but I clearly was putting this piece on backwards because the black side was supposed to be on the inside. So I didn't put all these nails in this thing and thought I had got it together, then realized it was... Hey, was this supposed to be... Oh my god.
You fucked up and you put the back on, didn't you? What happened?
See what I mean? So I ended up spray painting the side that I had put on wrong, because there was no way for me to get the nails back out of it. And I also used these 10-inch bins from Target to put my belts and small like fanny packs and smaller purses that have no type of form or shape. The shelf gave me a lot more space in my closet and made it look a whole lot more organized. And I'm actually able to see all my purses I have, because some things I did not even realize I still had. So I just really loved how it gave my closet a better look. got this rug from Kohl's. I felt like it was like the best option for just a good little simple black and white color theme that I'm going with. It kind of gave me motivation to do it. So I just really felt like this rug would go perfect. These curtains I got from Amazon, which I also felt were very simple, but still giving that black and white pop of color. After putting up the curtains, I realized that having my mirror armoire on the right side was a little bit of a clash, so I decided to move my Alex drawers over to the other side, and this thing is extremely heavy, so hubby had to come and help me. A white simplistic console table for the back wall, so this one I got from Walmart, I believe. I also saw it on Amazon and a couple of other sites. The handles to this came in a wood color, like an unfinished wood color, so I spray painted them gold and it looked amazing on the console table. It gave it a whole new like glammed up look. Instead of me going out and buying brand new lamps, I just changed the lampshades that were already on the lamps that I had. I got these lamps originally from Home Goods, and the lampshades I ordered from Amazon. These are some vases that I made for my birthday party, actually, for some centerpieces. And because I had so many, I've been repurposing them around the house. So I spray painted them, which I love to do. I love to spray paint, just to create a gold and black vibe on them and give them a new look. This idea from LG Queen Home Decor here on YouTube. I love her channel, but this is a Dollar Tree DIY. I needed a wall accent piece, and when I saw this on her page, I just knew that that was exactly what I wanted. So I bought 9 photo frames from Dollar Tree and created this wall accent decor. You'll see at the end of the video how it turned out. It was just beautiful. It's more than what I even thought it was going to turn out to be. Now, my lighting situation in my room was just a standard fan that the contractor who did our home put in, but I wanted it to have a more fancy look. I was considering going to go buy this $200 ceiling fan, but then I opted to just do the light cover, to just change the light cover and just give the fan a more glammed up look. I did change the light bulb, and then because I didn't have a middle screw in my fan, I opted to get one of the lamp, I forget what these things are called, one of these like lamp cover things or whatever. I used that to attach to the light bulb, and then I attached the lamp bowl to that to give it that more glammed up look, and it turned out just as I pictured. Tree books instead of buying like the $40–50 books for accents. You can just pull back the paper and see what color they are, so that you can coordinate the colors. I found so many different colors to work with my home decor. I got these small ottomans from Amazon. These were the exact color, the exact style I was looking for, so it worked perfectly with my room. How this turned out. I was so impressed with myself. I had to pat myself on the back because this turned out just absolutely beautiful, the exact way I wanted it to look, and it's giving me that boss girl, that grown up look. It's giving me everything I wanted it to look like. All these wall shelf accents I got from At Home and Hobby Lobby. I found some stuff on clearance, like this mirror had a little crack in it, so it was on clearance for like $3 at Hobby Lobby, but I found a lot of stuff since the stores opened up for quarantine. Here are those vases that I made. They turned out really nice, and the florals are from Dollar Tree. I get all my florals from Dollar Tree. People be sleeping on Dollar Tree, y'all. I'm telling y'all, Dollar Tree is the plug. I already had this wall mirror and these wall accents, but I did get the elephant bookend from Hobby Lobby for $2 and the spear from Kohl's. And then the black case is my eyeglass case that my husband got me for Christmas. These curtains are one of my favorite things in the room because they're so simple but yet sleek and elegant. They give me so much more elegance into the room and still sticks with my black and white theme. So I just really love this find from Amazon. I got these ottomans, which are storage ottomans from Walmart, and then I got the black basket from Hobby Lobby for $9, and the pillow I already had, and the blanket I got from Amazon. The books turned out really cute with this case and the feather, which I got from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. The case I got from Kohl's. And here is my wall accent that I was referring to. This turned out to be so cute. It's like the staple of the room. When you walk in, you immediately see this first and you're just blown away by it. And I can't believe that it was only $9 from Dollar Tree. So there you have it, my new glam office. By doing a lot of stuff myself and repurposing a lot of things I had, I saved a lot of money, but it turned out to be just gorgeous room. I love. My husband was even blown away when he saw it. He didn't realize I was doing all of this back here, but it just turned out to be beautiful, and I'm so happy to be able to now come in here and film and do my work and just work from here. I will have more home videos coming soon, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.